announce the bottom 3, ipapaalala lang namin that because of Factor 1, kapag kasali si Ian sa bottom 3 tonight, he will automatically be eliminated since it would already be his 3rd time in the bottom group.
Kasama ka sa bottom group ngayong gabi. Sara Labati.
Nagdedelikado ring matanggal tonight si Nina Kodaka.
And the 3rd person in the bottom 3 is Rocco Nasino. Alright, Sara, Nina, and Rocco are in the bottom 3 this week, but one of them is safe.
May pagkakataon ka pang ipagpatuloy ang starstruck dream mo. Nina Kodaka, please join the rest of the survivors. Congratulations.
Okay, makinig ng maigi, Sara and Rocco, isa sa inyo ang maaring tuluyang magpaalam ngayong gabi.
Council, kanina sinabi ninyong hindi nyo gagamitin ang Factor 2 tonight. Ngayong nalaman nyo na kung sino ang nasa bottom group, paninindigan nyo pa rin ba ang desisyon nyo? Let me remind you na kapag hindi nyo ito ginamit tonight, you only have 2 weeks to use it. Let's ask the council members again.
Let's start off with Manay Lolit. Gusto niyo po bang gamitin ang power ninyo ngayong gabi? Yes or no?
Parang nakakahinayang naman may mawala dito sa dalawang to ngayong gabi. Kaya,
yes or no, Manay Lolit?
pinapalitan ko na yung una kong sinabing no. Yes.
Okay, kayo naman po, Direk Floyd. Tatanungin namin kayo, yes or no?
Rocco, Sara, you two are still too valuable to be lost. Ang laki ng mawawala sa council, but yes, we take it back. I want to use Factor 2.
How about you, Miss Iza? Yes or no?
Of course, I'm going to use it.
The council has spoken. Ginamit na nila ang kanilang power para itigil ang eliminations.
So, Rocco and Sara, thank the council. You're both safe and will have the chance to compete for another week. We still have 8 remaining survivors na magpapatuloy ng kanilang Starstruck journey.
I'm Carla Abellana, saying dito sa Starstruck, everything is still a test.
So believe in the power of your dream and survive. I am Dennis Trillo, and this is Starstruck 5